So there is a discharge, then next is the installation. I would like to invite the officers, exco officers for 2013, 2014. Please stand up here. Can I have the Sergeant at Arms, Treasurer, Secretary over here? So we start with the Sergeant at Arms on my far left. You can come, don't be shy. All go together. Okay, so I'll have the SAA in extreme left, the Treasurer, Secretary, BPPR, Vice President, Membership, BPE, and the President himself. And the immediate past President is also here, that's standing as a Sorry, I can't go the free flow, so I'll just go with the script. So, boys and girls, can you hear me?
Yes.
Is it loud and clear? You want me to speak louder? You're okay? And for the boys and girls here, can you hear me? Okay, all good. Now, are we ready? As an area E4 governor, I'm here to install the officers of Aathi Bi-lingual Toastmasters Club and prepare them for the challenges that lie ahead. Their collective challenge is to make this club strong, dedicated to helping people from all walks of life to speak in an effective manner, listen with sensitivity, and think creatively. I ask each individual officer to stand as I briefly describe the challenge. He or she must meet the responsibilities he or she must fill. I will ask each officer to hold the table if you have the table.
Yep.
Hold the table as a symbol of leadership. Step forward in the center here. Sergeant at Arms. I'll just read the roll. Sergeant at Arms. The SAA is the 7th ranking club officer. What are your duties? To attend district sponsored club officer training, attend club executive committee meeting, schedule meeting location, maintain club equipment and keep an adequate number of supplies, greet members and guests, ensure meeting starts on time. Will you, SAA, perform these duties to the best of your ability? Thank you very much. The next officer, Treasurer. Take it easy. Treasurer. The Treasurer is the 6th ranking of club officer. What are your duties? Attend district-sponsored club officer training, attend club executive committee meeting, collect and send dues to world headquarters on time, submit new member applications to world headquarters, keep record of all financial transactions, submit club accounts for audit. Will you perform these duties to the best of your ability? Thank you very much. Secretary is the 5th ranking club officer. So what are your duties? Attend district-sponsored club officer training, attend club executive committee meeting, mail club officer list to world headquarters within 10 days of the election, handle general club correspondence, keep club files including club charter, constitution and bylaws if it is applicable in the country, minutes, resolutions and correspondence. Madam Secretary, will you perform these duties to the best of your ability?
Yes, I will.
Thank you. Sir, Vice President Public Relations. The VPPR is the 4th ranking club officer. What are your duties? Attend district-sponsored club officer training, attend club executive committee meeting, produce and distribute a club newsletter, or maintain club website. Promote membership programs, attend Toastmasters events from other clubs, announce upcoming events and programs, greet members and guests. BPPR, will you perform these duties to the best of your ability?
Yes, I will.
Sir, Vice President Membership. The VPM is the third ranking club officer. What are your duties? Attend district-sponsored club officer training, attend and vote at area council meeting, attend club executive committee meeting, conduct ongoing membership building programs, follow up on guest new members and members not attending meetings. For all prospective members, explain the educational program, get their committee to join. Meet guests and keep track of guest record and contact and invite them for future meeting. Report on current membership, promote membership campaign and welcome new members. Ensure each new member is formally inducted. Speak with fellow members to determine if their needs are being met. EPM. Will you perform these duties to the best of your ability?
Yes, I will.
Madam Vice President Education, the VPE is the second highest ranking club officer presiding at club and executive committee meetings in the absence of the president. The VPE is responsible for planning successful club meetings so that each member has the opportunity to achieve his or her educational goals. What are your duties? Attend district-sponsored club officer training, attend and book area council meeting, attend club executive committee meeting, plan club meeting and ensure that it's educational, interesting and benefiting to members alike. Try to involve every member in club regular meeting. Promote participation in educational program, conduct members orientation program and assign every new member a mentor. Madam VPE, will you perform these duties to the best of your ability?
Yes, I will.
Now the President. Madam President. Toastmasters Aathi Bi-lingual. Having been elected as the President of Aathi Bi-lingual Toastmasters Club, you are its Chief Executive Officer and will be expected to preside at all club meetings and at all regular and special meetings of your Executive Committee. It is your challenge to see that this club enables its members to achieve their educational goals. It is also your challenge to see that your club helps the area, division, district and Toastmasters International to meet their goals. Please accept this gavel as a symbol of your leadership and dedication to office. The gavel that is presented is a symbol of the power and authority given to you by the membership of this club. Use it wisely and with restraint. You are a member of your team as well as a leader. A team is more than a collection of people. It is an emotional force rooted in the feelings, thoughts and actions of all members with the common goal of achievement, sharing and mutual support. Work with your team, members to create healthy, dynamic club, a club of which everyone will be proud of. Madam President, will you as President accept this challenge and perform these duties to the best of your ability?
Yes, I will.
I'd like the IPP immediate past President to set the step up. It's okay. Oh yes, okay, yes. Now you still have duty after you step up. Madam IPP. What are your duties? You still have more duties to support club. Madam IPP provides guidance and serves as a resource for club officers and your current members. Chairs the nominating committee, assists in the preparation of the club success plan, promote the club's effort to become a distinguished club. Madam IPP, will you, as immediate past president, accept this challenge and perform these duties to the best of your ability?
Yes, I will.
Thank you very much. So, now, the guests also will be invited to all stand up, please. The members. The growth and development of the Toastmasters, The growth and development of the Toastmasters program in Aathi Bi-lingual Toastmasters Club depends largely upon the actions of the executive committees. On your honor as men and women of Toastmasters and children, do you pledge to individually and collectively stand by this club, live with it, and work with it throughout the coming year?
Yes.
Thank you very much, everyone.